everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to create an affiliate blogging website using WordPress. Creating a website for your affiliate blogging can be a crucial step in establishing an online presence and reaching a wider audience. Luckily, WordPress makes it easy to create a website. We'll take you through the step-by-step process of creating an affiliate blogging website using WordPress. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced website designer, this guide will help you create a stunning website that showcase your design skills and attracts potential clients. So let's get started. Step 1. Setting up WordPress. First, let's get WordPress set up on your domain. If you don't already have a domain, you can easily purchase one from a domain registrar. Next, you'll need to set up WordPress on your domain. This can be done through your web hosting provider. We recommend you consider Kinsta Hosting for your affiliate blogging website. Kinsta Hosting is the perfect solution for setting up your WordPress website. Kinsta offers lightning-fast load times, unparalleled uptime, and expert support 24/7. Their infrastructure is built on Google Cloud Platform, providing you with the power and security you need to run your website smoothly. Additionally, Kinsta's managed hosting solution takes care of all the technical details, freeing you up to focus on your content and business. So, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient hosting solution, look no further than Kinsta Hosting. To sign up for Kinsta Hosting, please check the description below for the sign up link. Step 2. Installing the responsive starter template. Now that WordPress is set up, let's install the responsive starter template plugin. You can do this by going to the WordPress plugin repository and searching for responsive starter template. Once you have found the plugin, click Install and activate it. Step 3. Importing a starter template. Now that the plugin is installed, let's import a starter template. To import a template, simply go to the Responsive Template section in your WordPress dashboard. Responsive Starter Template has a wide range of pre-designed templates, so take your time and pick one that best fits your needs. Now, go to the search bar and search for affiliate blogging and select the affiliate blogging template. Here you can preview the whole template. Next, click the import button and wait for the template to import. This process may take a few minutes, so be patient. The plugin will import all the templates element into your WordPress website, including the layout, color, fonts, and images. Once done, click on the Launch Site button. And here's how you get your affiliate blogging website ready in less than 5 minutes. Step 4. Customizing your website. Once the template has been imported, it's time to start customizing your website. Now to customize your website, click on Edit with Elementor button at the very top. This will take you to the editing section of the Elementor where you can change the logo, add your own images, adjust the color scheme to match your brand. You can also edit and add your own pages and posts to showcase your services and skills. With the Responsive Starter Template plugin, the possibilities are endless. Now, let's say I want to change this heading, an easy and proven way to build good habits, to just good habits. For this, I'll click on this heading and this will open a section on my left hand side where I can change the heading to good habits. Similarly, let's say I want to change this text on this button, go to articles. For this, again I'll click on this button. This will again open a panel on my left hand side and here I can change the text to click here and it's done. Now let's say I want to change this image over here. For this again I'll click on the image and I'll go to choose image and here I get two options. Either I can upload files from my local drive or I can use media library. And for now I'm going ahead with this image. I'll click on the image and select and it's done. Similarly, you can change all of these sections. You can change this heading, you can change this button text, you can add link to the button as well. Once you're done with the editing, click on update. That's all. Happy editing, guys. With these tools and knowledge, you can create an exceptional website that reflects your unique style. Use your creativity to begin building your ideal website. Don't forget to add your personal touch to make it stand out. That's all for today. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more such videos.